In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Facebook in Google Chrome. So I'm starting here by opening Google Chrome on my computer. Once Chrome is open, I'm going right up to the search bar at the top, and from here I'm typing in facebook.com. After that, I'm pressing enter so the site can load. That takes me straight to the Facebook login page, and once it appears on screen, I'm ready to sign in. Now that I'm on the login page, I'm clicking into the email field first. This is where I'm entering the email address connected to my Facebook account. I'm typing that in carefully, just making sure everything looks right as I go. Once that's done, I'm moving down to the password field, and now I'm typing in my password. I'm just entering it into the second box exactly the way it belongs, so the account can sign in properly. At this point, I've got both fields filled out, so I'm taking one quick look at the screen to make sure the details are entered into the right places. Once everything looks good, I'm clicking the login button. Facebook will then start signing me in, and if the information is correct, it takes me straight into the account. That's it, you're now successfully logged in on Facebook. The whole process is very simple once you see it done, because it's really just a matter of opening Google Chrome, going to facebook.com, entering your email address, typing in your password and clicking login. If you're following along on your own screen, just take it one part at a time. First open Google Chrome, then click the search bar and go to facebook.com. Once the login page appears, enter your email address in the first field, type your password in the second field, and then click login. After that, Facebook signs you in and your account opens up. There's nothing extra you need to set up in this process, and you don't need to go through any other menu to make it work. Everything happens right there on the main login page from start to finish. So again, I'm opening Google Chrome, clicking the search bar, going to facebook.com, entering my email address, typing in my password and clicking login. Once that's done, I'm successfully logged in on Facebook and ready to use the account. That's exactly how to log into Facebook in Google Chrome. And once you've done it one time, it becomes a very quick thing to repeat anytime you want to sign in from your computer. It's a short process, very direct and easy to follow once you know what goes in each field and where to click next.